Hi, I'm Ludovic Larzul, I'm from Mipsology. I'm very happy to be here at XDF 2018 to showcase for the first time Zebra, our deep learning inference engine. Zebra is able to compute all kinds of CNN, the standard ones like ResNet 50 or CafeNet or Inception V3. We are offering very high performance, like more than 20,000 images per second on CafeNet, more than 3,000 images per second on ResNet 50, and more than 1,500 images per second on Inception V3. But we can also compute any kind of CNN, the custom ones, for example. We have made Zebra very easy to use. You can run Zebra and replace CPU and GPU with zero effort. We don't change anything in your neural network. We don't change anything in the training, or we use the usual framework like TensorFlow or Caffe, which makes it extremely easy to be used for AI engineers. We are running on any kind of FPGAs, especially we are very happy to be running on the Alveo 200 and 250, which offers us a very high performance, which is probably the best one you can find. Thank you.